Unlock the power of Nano Banana without spending a dime today. We're diving into the free version. First things first, let's get you set up. Navigate to the official Nano Banana website. You'll find a clear option to start with the free plan. Click on that and go through the simple sign-up process for the free version. You're essentially creating a basic account that gives you access to the core functionalities Nano Banana is known for. So what exactly can you do? The free Nano Banana offers essential tools for content creation. You'll have access to key features like basic editing tools, limited storage, standard templates. These are perfect for getting your feet wet and understanding the platform's capabilities. Let's walk through a typical use case. Imagine you need to create a social media graphic. To do this, you'll head over to the design studio, select the template tool, and then simply choose a template, add your text, and upload an image. See how intuitive it is to get started. Now, it's important to be aware of the usage limitations with the free plan. These typically include things like a cap on the number of projects you can manage, restricted access to advanced features. Think of it like a tasting menu. It gives you a fantastic sample of what's available. But don't let limitations hold you back. You can be incredibly creative. For instance, if you have a limited number of exports, focus on perfecting your creations before exporting. Or, if storage is a concern, organize your projects meticulously. You can even string together multiple free-tier outputs to achieve more complex results than you might initially think. By understanding these features and limitations, you can effectively leverage Nano Banana's free version for a surprising range of tasks. Get experimenting and see what amazing things you can create without any cost.